uma rocha, uma cruz, e o teu barco negro dançava na luz.
I have with me Vyam Braganza, whose voice we just heard a while ago. So Vyam, how have you been enjoying the evening? Is your voice trained?
Well, my voice isn't trained. I just had a short course of training just for like 6 months. But besides that, no. And that was like recently. Whereas about the evening, it's been a real lovely evening. Lovely performers. Oh, strained? No, not at all. Not at all. I've been doing this for a long, long time. So not at all.
And how was it performing at this place here where we have people from Portugal as well as Goa, and we're trying to bring out the culture? So what was unique about the performance today?
It was beautiful because we were trying to kind of put both the cultures together. Most of us Goans basically have some Portuguese root in our families. So it's a nice thing that we're reviving it. And I'm totally for it because I enjoyed this evening. It's a nice thing that the whole organization is doing.
And have you had dinner yet? It's around 11:45.
No, not yet. I don't normally have dinner until I finish my show.
And what are you looking forward to be eating on from the buffet table?
Well, definitely bacalhau, for sure. And I heard that the chef said that it's from Portugal, so definitely.
Okay. So thanks for speaking to us and enjoy the evening.
Thank you.
The party had everything to chill out and relax on the weekend with loads of drinks, food, entertainment, and of course, socializing with each other.
I have with me Mukesh Gatwal, who I interviewed long ago, and he's with a new avatar, a new style. So how was it performing at this Semana De Cultura Goan Portuguese?
Performing here, it's a nice experience for me. It's lovely. I enjoyed the way the crowd come on a dance floor for the first song when we play. Actually, normally what it happens like after warm up and after 3-4 songs, yeah. So this is the crowd which we like to play actually every time.
You played numbers in various languages: Spanish, French, Portuguese. But which one is your favorite? If you like?
Portuguese, of course. Yeah.
Okay. And why Portuguese?
It touches something, something is there. It's
Do you know Portuguese, or is it just because of you experience?
I learned a little bit. I've been learning with Belinda a little bit. She's my teacher in Portuguese, yeah.
Talking about touching your heart, and we can also see a wedding ring on your finger, so you've got married. So what about all the girls who are crazy fans behind you?
Oh, that I don't know, but I got married recently on 15th.
Yeah. How is married life treating you? It's soon after marriage that you're already performing, so how do you manage to balance?
It's nothing actually, it's just understanding with her. Actually, we have been together for more than 10 years actually, and that bonding is there, no problem like that, nothing.
Thank you so much. Enjoy. It's all over. Have you had dinner yet?
Yeah, we just had.
And what was your favorite dish today?
Bacalhau, I think.
Okay, everybody seems to like the bacalhau. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care. As we can see behind, a lot of people have already started eating and enjoying the lovely music and songs sung by Vyam Braganza. Let's see what all we have in the dinner counter and start to think about food right now. So let's check out what chef is preparing. Chef, what are you doing right now?
I'm preparing fish peri-peri, kingfish.
And what is the marinade that you are using for it?
It is Goan spice.
Goan spicy marinade.
Happy céu e eu contente cantava esse correio que dá corpo todo amado a minha terra leva de estradas de luar. Uma noite sonhei contigo, sonhei uma coisa bonita, que coisa maravilhosa. Sonhava que me querias. Ai, maricosa, ai, maricosa, ai, maricosa. Ai, maricosa, ai, maricosa, ai, maricosa. A noite, sonhei contigo, sonhei uma coisa bonita, que coisa maravilhosa.
I have with me one of the invitees at the party, Mr. George Carvalho. So how have you been enjoying the party?
Oh, it's been a wonderful evening. I mean, it's a mixture of what is Goa all about. Okay? Beautiful. I've not even finished my dinner.
I can see that.
You know?
And you are an avid lover of food and dance, so there was lovely music. So
Sure, the best today. Honestly, the best today. A fusion of everything. And what got to my heart was Sonia Sirsat with a fusion of what she produced for this function this evening. And this young lady, the new star, who's coming up, I forget her name, but she's producing now.
and what's in your plate? You're eating bacalhau and
I'm eating bacalhau and that's a new thing to me. No, it is cabrito.
okay. So what's better, the bacalhau or the capri?
I'll manage both of them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
The ambience of the party had the right tone with apt lighting, drapes and decor which symbolized Goan culture.
I have with me Belinda, and we've just heard her singing, and the crowd was just grooving and dancing to her lovely music. So, since when are you into music? Have you picked it up from your brother, or has your brother learned from you?
No, actually it was my brother who taught me right from the beginning. But since I had too much of stage fright, I only started sometime in 2006.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of music? We heard you singing in various languages, Spanish, Portuguese, French, but which is your favorite and why?
My favorite is Portuguese.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I think it's the words go well with that kind of music, so it blends perfectly.
Okay, and how did you enjoy the night? We saw you dancing and we saw you singing, and
This night was very special to me because it was maybe the after many years, after about 15 or 20 years, we did a Kathak and Bharatnatyam fusion dance to a Portuguese fado. So that was a big challenge for me, and since it went off well, I'm really so happy.
and have you already eaten? And what's your favorite dish? You haven't eaten.
I haven't eaten, but my favorite dish, I like mostly everything.
Okay. Oh. Okay, thank you so much for spending time with us. Take care. Bye. And at last we come to an end of the gala night of the Semana De Cultura Indo-Portuguese, Goan Portuguese night at Siddhartha, Goa. And it was a very lovely night, lots of music, lots of entertainment and lots of lovely food. So we come to an end of this program and hope to see you again sometime soon. Till then, take care. And this is Danushka signing off for Prudent Media.